Today I'm in beautiful downtown Ogden, Utah at the Ogden Union Station. Apparently there's a lot of museums inside the building. We'll take a look at the railroad related ones, of course. Let's take a look. In the main waiting hall. This is inside of the Railroad Museum, Utah State Railroad Museum. Just gonna give you a few highlights, including a golden spike replica. A lot of nice displays. Not gonna go through everything in here, just overview. They even got an actual caboose that they cut out for display. Now, because I didn't have a smooth intro here, we're now going to take a look outside at the rest of the collection of the Utah State Railroad Museum. Now, the first thing you see when you come in from the street is Union Pacific FEF class number 833, one of the similar sisters to 844, and one of only a few FEF classes surviving. Built 1939 by Alco Schenectady. It's mostly Union Pacific, Rio Grande, or Southern Pacific, which is all Union Pacific, technically. Now this is DDA40X, number 6916. Giant Centennial type locomotive. It's 2 prime movers with 4 axle trucks. And this is the other side of 833. There's no boiler jacket on it. My guess is asbestos. Just massive pieces of equipment. $69.16 and $8.33. Now we have an only appropriate pair of locomotives. Rio Grande number 5371, a tunnel motor SD40T-2, and Southern Pacific SD45 model. SP number 7457 and Rio Grande number 5371. Rio Grande came under ownership of the SP in 1988, while Southern Pacific merged into Union Pacific along with Rio Grande in 1996. And I was surprised to find this, since the only main railroads to operate in Utah were Western Pacific, Southern Pacific, Union Pacific, and Rio Grande. But here's a Santa Fe Alligator, also known as RSD 15 officially. Old Utah Railway. At least that's what it says up there. Formerly operated by the Utah Railway, but originally Santa Fe. Utah Railway 401, but I don't know its actual number. I'll figure that out in a few minutes, but it's an alligator because of how far the nose sticks out. And down here, I'll get to the other car there. We have a, wait, what is this? This is an Alco S model. I'm not sure. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's a little 44-ton U.S. Army switcher, General Electric. Then another 44-tonner, United States Air Force. There's also a nice crane back there. And here is the, what is it? Right, Salt Lake City Olympic Torch relay car. I've never seen something more extravagant in my life as far as 21st century railroading goes. But hey, this is quite interesting. 2002 Olympic Torch Relay Winter Olympics, Salt Lake. And then the elephant in the room, the only surviving Union Pacific GTEL, number 26. GTEL stands for Gas Turbine Electric, and Mega Projects is another YouTube channel. They have a great video about it. 3 different generations, 1, 2, and 3. This is generation number 3. General Electric built 1961. 3 units, A, B, and a tender. My phone can't get the entire picture here. Hi, Dad. Oh, this is a long walk. This is a large locomotive here. This is the B unit for the generators as part of the turbine, I think. And then that's the fuel oil tender. This thing just goes on forever. I'm farther away and I still can't get it in shot. But anyway, there's still more to see. Here's an old EMD SW1. I can tell because it has that thing sticking out the front of the radiator on the bottom. Cargill number 6751, and I will put descriptions below to say what this was originally, because I haven't done my research. So I'll do my research definitely for this video, but yeah, I'll just put it as a title below in one of the corners of the video. You'll see what I mean. Here's a Southern Pacific Jeep, number 3769. For me, any locomotive is game. It's fair game. GP7 or GP9, I don't know. It's an EMD, early Jeep, 1950s or so. Bloody nose, all right. The classic SP headlights stick out like a sore thumb. Then a quick video of this little GE 44 tonner. This is the 3rd one I've seen. However, I might have mistaken the models. Utah Central Railway number 1237. These center cab switchers are always pretty interesting. There's also this quite nice Union Pacific rotary snowplow, and then there's a crane behind it. But here is the piece de resistance, and I like to use that term. It might not look like much, but this is Rio Grande, Denver and Rio Grande Western, number 223. Grant Locomotive Works of 1882 3-foot narrow gauge 280 consolidation. It is a part under restoration, I believe, to operation. if not cosmetically, because oh boy does it need it. What's left of the tender. And then the last thing here is Union Pacific 060 switcher 4436. This is right out front where the road traffic is, with 2 Union Pacific caboose. And then over here is Utah's Mercy car. Oh boy, it looks in bad condition. These were gifts to each US state from France for help with World War II. So that's all for this video. This has been Nate's Vintage Trains. I'm Nate, reminding you to keep it old school, and until next time, God bless.